It's gonna take, next month it'll take all our budget to finish this.
Yeah.
Nanas imong body.
How many bites?
2 bites.
2 bites?
Just kidding, just kidding.
Can negatively affect humans. They can sting.
My anak is here. My anak is here. Wow, done the shower. Ready for school na. Yeah. Hala, 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 hala. Really? Yeah, up. Oops. Say good morning, friends. He's playing the bubble wrap. Hala? Hala? It's nice? Hala? Ikaw, shorty, ikaw. Go eat na, anak ka.
Bring that one.
Yeah, you can bring that. Yay! Thank you, Mommy. You're welcome. Oh, he needs to eat na, guys. Kailangan na niyang kumain para mag-prepare na siya for school. Class niya will start at 8:30. So, mayroon pa siyang 1 hour. So, it's just that he has to get ready. Okay, alam mo na. Di mo alam kung ano yung mood ng mga ganyan na age. So, sometimes ayaw nila sa screen. So, kailangan i-warm up. Warm up siya before ma-expose talaga sa screen with the teacher. So, he's eating right now. Guys, back in the farm. Here are my boys. Let's go to my boys. They're playing in the canal. Our flowers are getting crazy. It's so... Ay, daghan makinig sagbot may sad. Yeah. We need to remove the weeds. What are you doing?
You have
Okay.
the advantage of winning because you're long. I have the advantage of speed.
What are you doing now?
We're playing. Oh.
Race? Let me see whose boat is faster.
I have the advantage. I have the advantage of speed.
Huh? The what? Okay, I'm watching. Go, Derrell, help your boat.
Hello, Derrell.
Oh, Derrell is winning. Derrell is winning.
No, he's not. I am. Faster. Go faster.
Go, Derrell.
Go under him. Thanks for the push. Thanks for the push. No, take that to put me out.
Ah.
I won!
Winner's Derrell. Oh, the rain is coming again.
Advantage of winning.
Oh, we have, looks like we have rain coming. Here, guys.
No, why is it
Looks like gonna rain. Huh?
It's almost 5. Let's go.
Yeah,
Let's go have a look.
it's raining already there. That area. And nasty clouds right there.
It's raining at Jay's place.
Oh yeah, almost na. Almost there.
It must be the lake there now.
Yes. And our fish pond is full. There are few tilapias in here.
There?
Yes.
Here?
Yeah.
Are there any fish here?
Careful, careful. Don't.
Are there any fish here?
Yes.
Here?
Yes.
How about that fish pond? Is that a fish pond? I saw how deep it is. Yeah. So
Yeah.
deep.
It's too deep.
What if you play our boats there?
The daddy is there. Figuring out what materials do we need to buy tomorrow.
Derrell, come on. Can you come tomorrow? No.
I guess if you behave. So guys, I think we are ready for
I did behave.
roofing materials tomorrow. Yes.
The GI sheet's about 30,000.
30,000.
Yeah.
That's just for the roof,
What is it?
Just
GI?
for the roof, not.
not the wall.
Well, that's not even the siding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I'm gonna go to daddy.
And then
Here.
here, this is exactly 8 Billy. Exactly 8 feet, right? From here to here. Well, from here. It should be 8. That's up here. Yeah. 8 feet. So the GIG will go down to here, right? All the way up.
You won't cut it?
What's that?
You won't cut?
Not sure what to do.
I think you will cut it.
You'll cut it. You're gonna have extra.
Cut nyo.
Because it's only how far does it go up? The GIG. It goes
Ang walling.
or on this side there'll be GIG.
Ang sa refilling lang yung ano niya, steel matting. Ang sa bodega.
The steel matting's only going. It's gonna take next month. It'll take all our budget to finish this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is next month's project. Should be done by next month.
Yeah. So we'll just
Because
continue.
I don't have
huh?
any after there
After
won't be any
this.
there won't be any budget next month
Yeah.
after this is all done.
So just continue and then stop next month.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. He's gonna stretch his budget.
Well, I'm not stretching it. Well, no, what I'm saying is
Stretching
it's
it
only
for this.
10 days from now.
Yeah.
Where the new budget starts. But between the 30 steel matting, door, party flex,
Yeah, like
that's
100.
that's everything. That's your budget.
Yeah.
I don't know if it'll take them a month to finish. Maybe, huh?
Maybe not. Depends, because if there's a roof already, even if it rains, they can still work.
Yeah, they'll probably.
So it won't take that
How
long.
long do you think to finish it? You think it'll take another month to finish? We have all the. Yeah. Well, it'll take a couple weeks, huh? 'Cause
Yeah.
the hard part's done. Oh. Yeah.
Can you see them, guys? There. Yeah. They're enjoying the farm. They like it here so much because they could play. They're free to do what they want. Unlike the city, it's like they're in the. They can play around the house, but it's not like here that it's a huge playground, and then they can play the mud, they can play the water, they can play with insects, they can play with frogs.
A few moments later.
Inject ka na lang ni Derrell.
I think the venom is kuan na.
na ng ants.
Oh, Chance! Chance, it's too late. It's too late, Daryl, because the venom has already been injected in your skin. It's too late.
Nana diha Derrell, kamang na gikan diri ni ari na yung.
Mahimo na kang Ant-Man.
La Derrell, na dinhi oh. Pugni diri. Ana daga na diri gikan diri. Gikan diri ni daga
Ay,
na.
nausa naman na.
Ngari.
Yeah!
Nanas imong body.
How many bites?
2 bites.
2 bites?
Just kidding, just one.
Just kidding, pagtarong.
Yeah, just one.
You only got bit once and you're crying like a little baby? I think you got.
Was it a big
Dili na normal.
No.
red ant?
Derrell.
No, it was just like up to this size.
Kaya ba, kung mapaatang kagkuan niya, mahubag, mapunan ning imong guyam mo yung usak. Sige na lang, oy, pa-inject na lang tarong. Aw, dili ka?
What's the matter with Daryl? Why you guys making him cry? Daryl, why are you crying? What'd they tell you? I can't understand. Whoa. You have to speak in English.
It's a prank!
I don't need injection.
Yes!
You'll just heal.
It's a prank!
It's just normal, dude. Of course they hurt. How come you just fight? How about if you got bitten by fire ant?
Ay, ambot
Then
lang
you
kung
will
saan
die.
na fire ant.
You're afraid you become an Ant-Man?
I don't want to be a superhero. What if I die? But sometimes it's also fun being a superhero.
It's a prank!
I don't want to become Ant-Man. So, let's go play boss again. Look,
Ingon ka o Sarah?
it's 40. Ay,
Ay, ingon
pentakill.
ingon ka o Sarah? Mauni ingon kong it's a prank. Nga duham
No
day
way,
na.
it's 5. I said it's 5.
If one, okay ra. Pero
Pero
daghan,
La, makon
Oo
ka,
na.
mag-pentakill gid ka.
Nang hambog man ka, ingon kang o Sarah. Mo nang niyan ako, it's a prank. Duham day na. Ay, Hila ko.
Derrell!
Okay ra na, oy.
Oh,
Okay ra na. Okay ra.
But there could be some side effects.
You do that face. It's like he gets his lips like really long.
Tulong man di ay na.
He's got like really thin lips.
It's a prank. It's a
This always pranking, no? Oh, naapag yun diha.
You're so fit.
Hey man.
Hala, tulo pag yun.
Hala.
But actually, I was just running in like the stairs near the turtle and I fell down.
Come here,
Then
Derrell.
you just like
Sit here. Come hang out with me. Dad won't tease you. He'll just give you titty twisters.
It's a prank, gani.
He's so afraid that he'll become an ant-man.
I know. I think he's afraid of injection.
What? Are you afraid of the injection
You know, if you
or
get
become an
bit-
ant-man?
If you get bit by ant, they have to do your Thule again.
Yeah. Just when you got bitten by
Daddy
By
said,
the dick.
Daddy said if you sit beside him, he won't tease you.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
Daddy said he's pranking Derrell.
that is just making everything worse.
I'm sorry. No teasing.
Ali, hug na lang ko kaya parang
Yeah. Soon, that ant bite will go like this.
So many ant bites man di ay.
What's your problem? Kung sa lagi mong problem nga nihilak mo ka diha. Ha? Unsa?
Venom?
Wow, oy, pautada ra gud sa Siri na nabay venom ang ant.
Where's the venom? They got you the venom?
Can you feel it na?
Yes. Hala, hala, hala. So you this.
Ang symptoms sa nanay venom mo kagkaihion.
You're crying a lot.
Okay na magbuol ka.
Yeah.
Ayaw ka guol aron
Don't cry, or else the venom will grow stronger. Like the real. Hala.
Smile ba?
Hala.
Ayaw, hila kay.
There's pa yun sa neck.
Ayaw ba? Hila ka. Ayaw ba kay ang venom?
That is the death part of the human neck. Do this. What is that? So many ants?
Ay, sige, tis kuya. Na-feel na ra ba na niya kuya?
Na-feel na. Ni mo lang. Ang venom. Mo ana ang babay. Awang imo na anak yun. Oh, to. Nagyod na.
Eh, beto po taron si Siri.
Siri ko no. Nabay venom ang hulmigas. Awang an.
They do sometimes.
The ant, Derrell. You don't have to worry about ant venom. Dude.
Ask mo sa ni Siri. Siri, is ant dangerous?
To our health.
Asa magkapaminaw ni Siri? Paminaw ni Siri.
He thinks he's got a problem, huh?
It inhabits humid lowland rainforest from Nicomuvia.
That's not gonna hurt you, buddy. It's just an ant.
Army ants.
They're teasing you, man.
It's a prank! Katawaan lang.
You're not serious.
It says here.
Where is it, man? Best show ko. Asa? Best show ko na best.
And also says here that another kid
Small
was
ribbon na
bitten
gina.
here. And then
Small,
he
right?
went so sick. And
Nahimo
then
daw.
he went to a
Nahimo daw
slowly
na.
death.
Nahimo nga kuan ko no ganang Ant-Man sa Avengers.
Hala, oy.
Naadiri o na. Nasa
Where?
nawa na eh.
Says here it red ants simulates death. Are red ants dangerous?
Any fire ants can negatively affect humans. They can sting.
Buang mani Siri. Oy, tarungan. Pangutana ko ya.
Okay, again.
Kasig nag-joke ra Siri.
Are red ants dangerous?
Any fire ants can negatively affect humans. They can sting.
And I knew it. That was a fire ant. Color
Na
red.
makakil ba ang ants? Sige, dali.
Ko na be. Ato ginang klaro.
Can ants kill people?
Here's what I found.
These ants kill more people every year.
Wait, what?
Australia than snakes.
Oh, read ko na be. Wala lang. Taluoy na sa gitna ako.
But Derrell, it's okay you're not in Australia.
Yeah. Where are you?
Philippines.
Oh, see? Philippines.
But it says here red ants, and those are red ants.
But it is in Australia.
Karon be diha red ants sa Philippines makakil ba?
Okay. Can red ants in Philippines kill people?
Here's what I found.
Ant bites can cause fatal allergic reactions. The Manila Times. June 1, 2014. It is impossible to kill every ant you see, for they greatly outnumber people.
Oh. No, Siri said ant cannot kill people, but people can kill ant.
But not that many. But not that many.
See?
Some ants can just go to your legs, devour you, and then you fall down.
See?
Bones.
Yeah. So in the Philippines,
Wala, okay
the
na ka.
ant cannot kill people, but people can kill the ant.
There's one here.
It's okay. It's not killing, right, Derrell?
There's only one.
Yeah.
One is okay.
Yeah.
Okay na.
Oh, di na mo cry, ha?
What is the What are the most dangerous animals
Kau
in the
paggawa
world?
na kau.
Go na.
Dito sa ants.
It's okay. The ants in the Philippines will not kill you.
The most dangerous animals.
But if you are in Australia,
humans and other criteria include mosquito, human dog, bacilli, crocodiles, and tapeworms.
And tapeworms is a type of
some sad
ant.
necessary, oy.
Yeah, I didn't say nothing about ants. Tapeworms,
Minsan magklaro lang.
mosquitoes are more
Yeah.
deadly than ants.
Yeah.
Mosquitoes are more dangerous?
Yes.
You mean like dengue?
Yeah.
I'm surprised. Like, I didn't know this is like he's an ant virgin. This like his first time being bitten by an ant. How does that happen if you're 7 years old? How can it be your first ant bite? I'm not sure. Because I've been bitten by ants so many times I can't count.
Derrell?
Is that your first time being bit by an ant, Derrell?
Derrell, is it your first time today? Shh. Derrell, listen. Is that your first time?
No, I got bitten by black ants every time it's here. But this is my first time. Pictures of
First time?
Time with the
Red ants?
Taon sad oy.
Hello, oy, sad ani, oy. So virgin, oy.
Wa na ka nag-uulang. Ha? Ayaw nagkaguol.
Hello, oy, kayong luha.